Hi everybody, and welcome to Outdoor Ed with Mary. This past Tuesday, September 22nd, was the first day of a new season, fall. Today's video will be about what happens outdoors as the seasons shift from summer to autumn. First, let's talk about why we have 4 seasons in our region. Let's zoom way out into space. This picture shows the rotation of the Earth around the Sun, also known as 1 year. Notice that our Earth is tilted sideways on what we call its axis. Because of this tilt, some times of the year experience more direct sunlight, while others have more indirect sunlight. So what does that mean? When sunlight is less direct, we experience colder seasons. When the sunlight is more direct, we experience warmer seasons. Think about how the temperature feels on your skin when the sun is shining right on you versus when you take a break in the cool shade. During the equinoxes, the sun shines equally on the northern and southern hemispheres. For us, that means that daytime and nighttime are equally as long, 12 hours. There are 2 equinoxes, spring and fall. After the fall equinox, the days will get shorter and the nights will get longer until December 21st, the winter solstice. So what changes happen around us outside as the season shifts from summer to fall? One of the most noticeable and beautiful changes in fall are the leaves on the trees changing color. We call this type of tree deciduous. Some common deciduous trees include maple, oak, birch, ash, and elm trees. Trees that do not lose their leaves in fall are called evergreens, and they include pines, cedars, spruces, and hemlocks. So why do deciduous trees lose their leaves? It's an adaptation. The tree knows that its delicate leaves could freeze, be damaged by snow or ice, or just not get enough water to survive the winter months. When the weather gets colder, a hormone in the tree tells it to move the green food-making cells of chlorophyll from its leaves down to its roots for safekeeping. When the chlorophyll drains out of the leaves, we see their true color, which can be yellow, orange, red, maroon, brown, or a combination of colors. Once the tree has moved all of its chlorophyll to its roots, it pushes the leaves off and they fall to the ground. These piles of leaves, which we call leaf litter, are more important than you might think. They create a warm blanket that rests on top of the forest floor to protect plants and animals from the cold. It also provides nutrients or food to the soil and plants underneath it. Some of the creatures that rely on this leaf litter for shelter and food include snails, worms, crickets, beetles such as ladybugs, moths, toads and frogs, and salamanders, plus all of the birds and small mammals that feed on those creatures. Because so many members of our ecosystem rely on the leaf litter, and because it provides food and protection from the cold for so many plants, scientists say it is best to leave piles of fallen leaves on the ground rather than collecting and burning them or throwing them away. Now it's time for this week's Eco Challenge. Your challenge this week is to take a walk outdoors and look for signs that the season is changing from summer to fall. Notice which trees have begun to change color or lose leaves, which insects and animals you notice more or less of, and even the changes that humans make when the days get colder. I hope everyone has a great week. I can't wait to see many of you at school soon for our in-person days. Remember to dress in layers for the weather and to wear shoes that are great for exploring. See you soon. Bye!